You woke up one day and realized you had no idea who you were anymore. Not in a dramatic, movie breakdown kind of way, just quietly. Like the version of you that used to have answers had stopped showing up. Maybe you've been grinding toward a goal that used to excite you, and now it feels hollow. Or you look at your life and think, is this actually me? That confusion, that lostness, that's not a breakdown. That is your brain doing exactly what it was designed to do. A 29-year-old named Marcus had done everything right. And he woke up one Tuesday and felt nothing. Not sad, not anxious, just absent, like he was watching his own life through glass. Your identity isn't a fixed thing stored somewhere like a file. It's a prediction. Your brain is constantly running a model of who you are based on your past, your environment, and the story you've been told about yourself. An identity crisis happens when your brain's prediction model breaks down. That discomfort you feel, that's not emptiness. That's your DMN running an update it doesn't have the files for yet. There's a network in your brain called the default mode network. Scientists used to think it was the brain doing nothing. The DMN is your brain's self-processing system. It's where your sense of self lives. When you're in an identity crisis, the DMN becomes hyperactive. The narrative starts glitching. When your old identity model breaks down, your brain enters a state of elevated neuroplasticity. The neural pathways that encoded your old self-concept become temporarily more malleable. Think of it like a city tearing up old roads to build new ones. People who report the highest identity confusion at the start of a transition showed the most personal growth 12 months later. Trap 1. Forcing a new identity before the reconstruction is done. Trap 2. Trying to go back to who you used to be. Trap 3. Filling the void with noise so the DMN never gets to do its work. What actually works? Holding an open identity posture, staying curious about what you're becoming. Marcus panicked. He spent 2 months trying to rebrand his entire personality. Then he stopped. Not because he figured it out, because he was exhausted. In that exhaustion, he started noticing what he actually liked. Not what he should like, just what felt real. 6 months later, he had a different job, different habits, a different way of talking about himself. Not because he built a new identity from scratch, because he stopped fighting the process long enough for one to emerge. The "who am I" question isn't a crisis you need to survive. It's a biological signal you need to listen to. Your brain asks that question when the old model isn't working anymore, when you're ready for a bigger version of yourself. Your brain isn't broken, it's building.